Hello everyone, this is Vasan, a nine-pointer at IIT Bombay from the Department of Civil Engineering. Today we are going to solve a problem on axial loading. So in yesterday's class, we already solved three parts of this problem, A, B, C. Today we are going to solve D and E parts of this problem. So in yesterday class, already we solved C part. C part का answer है x is equals to L by 3. And now we need to solve part D and part E. So if you read part D question. In part C, what is the displacement at joint 2, i.e. del 2? So what will be displacement of del 2? What is del 2 1 here? Del 2 1 is equals to del 2 minus del 1, right? We already know del 1 ka displacement is 0 because it is fixed to the support. So it is equals to del 2. So what is del 2 1 is equals to del 2? This means elongation, this part D, elongation of segment 1. We already know x is equals to L by 3, right? So we need to find elongation of segment 1. So for segment 1, what is the internal force N1? N1 we already solved. N1 is 3p by 2. So segment 1 is having 3p by 2 and 3p by 2, right? And its length x, that is equals to L by 3, right? So del 2 will be is equals to 3p by 2 into x, that is L by 3, divided by E into an area. What is the area? 3a by 4, right? So that is equals to 3 gets cancelled. PL by EA 4, okay, 2 PL by 3 EA. So del 2 will be is equals to 2 PL by 3 EA. Right, this is part D. Now let us move to part E. So what is part E? If P acts at x is equals to 2L by 3 and P by 2 at joint 3 is replaced by beta P, find beta so that delta 3 is equals to PL by EA. So let us draw the diagram. This is fixed support. This the rod. This is here. How much is the force? Force is P acts at 2L by 3. Okay, this is P and this is 2L by 3 and this is L by 3. Okay, and beta P acts here. This is 0.3, this is 0.2, this is 0.1. Okay, so we need to delta 3 is given by PL by EA. We need to find out beta, right? So what is the reactive force R? If we take reactive force like this R, then minus R plus P plus beta P is equals to 0. So R is equals to 1 plus beta into P, right? To find out, we already know that delta 3 is 3 1 is equals to delta 3 minus delta 1. Delta 1 is 0 because it is at support. So that is equals to delta 3. So delta 3 is equals to delta 3 1. That means elongation of total bar because of the load applied, right? So we need to find out internal forces. So internal forces N1 will be, how much N1 will be? If you cut here, you will have reactive force 1 plus beta into P, right? So away from the cross section is positive. So this is N1. So N1 will be is equals to 1 plus beta into P, right? So what is N2? N2 will be, if you cut here, so it will be 13 here. This is beta P. Again, we take tensile as positive. So away from the cross section is positive. So this is N2. So N2 is equals to beta into P. From equilibrium equation, sigma fx is equals to 0. Okay. So we find out N1 and N2. Now we need to find out delta 21 and delta 32. Right. What is delta 21 is the elongation in segment 1. This is segment 1. And delta 32 is elongation in segment 2. This is segment 2. So delta 31 is equals to delta 3 is equals to delta 32 plus delta 21, right? So what is delta 32? Delta 32 is load in segment 2. What is load in segment 2? That is beta P, right? What is the distance? PL by EA is the formula, right? So distance is L by 3 divided by E into area is A. So what is delta 21? This is elongation in segment 2. So in segment 2, the internal force is 1 plus beta into P into distance is 2L by 3 divided by E, area is 3 by 4A in segment 1. So if we add these two, we'll get delta 3. That should be is equals to PL by EA, right? So if you see this is beta, okay, beta by 3 into PL by EA. This will be is equals to 398, yes, 8 into 1 plus beta by 9 into PL by EA. That is equals to PL by EA, right? So we take here, so beta by 3 plus 8 into 1 plus beta by 9 is equals to 1. So beta plus 8 into 1 plus beta equals to 9. So 9, 8, 3 beta, sorry, 8, 11 beta is equals to 1. Beta is equals to 1 by 11. So we completed part E also. So we completed part C. Delta 2 is equals to 2P L by 3EA. And delta, this one beta is equals to 1 by 11. There is one more part of this question that we will solve in next lecture. So until then, take care. Bye bye from 9 pointer.